Hello guys. Yeah, welcome to another time with Blessed. Yeah, so today, as you can see on the screen, we've got this little task that I thought I could share with you guys in the video. So the client had contacted, and this is the situation that they had presented. So we have an IP. Said the client requests that an engineer conduct an external web application and internal assessment of the provided virtual environment. So that's the IP. The client had asked that minimal information be provided about the assessment, which means it's a black box assessment, just like the previous one we had. And we, as proof, will have to grab some flags to show that we had done a good job on the client environment. So we're allowed to use any tool, but something pretty much that interests me here is the fact that we we're allowed to use any tools to do what we want to do. So we're just going to go over this using our steps that we had used in previous video. We'll do some scanning, we'll do some enumeration for printing, then we'll try to grab an initial access at least, after finding some vulnerabilities. Then we hope to parse around with an initial access what we can do with it. Then we can now attempt to maybe pivot, or if we cannot pivot, we can try to escalate our privilege to gain root access on this server. So this particular task is for a web application being hosted somewhere. But we have a VPN which can grant us access to the infrastructure as usual. So I think the VPN is running already. I'm going to go check my IP. Today I'm using Terminator. So I'm going to use the IP ADDR, then I'm going to grep for turn 0. Yeah, pretty easy. So I can see I have 10.8.182.252 and it's a /16, so it's a class B internal network that had been configured there by the client. Okay, good. So since we've got our VPN thing running, let's start to parse around. See what we can come up with probably. So I've got two terminals open with multiple sections in each of them, just to make the work easy for me. So I'm going to minimize the screen with the scope since I don't need it anymore. Then what I'm going to try to do now is to try to first quickly scan the host using maybe a basic Nmap scan for a start, and see if I can do some advanced scanning as well. So I'm going to use Nmap. In this case, the other day I tried to use a tool called Threader 3000. Maybe we should try that again. I didn't get a good result with it that day anyways. So let's see if today we will get something good. Sorry about that. So we have 10.10, the client's IP. I'm going to copy it and make it a variable. I keep saying I will, but I never do that. So it's 10.10.92.193. So quickly, we already see port 22 is open. That was pretty fast. Great. We can, while we're waiting for the scan, we can validate via a browser if port 80 is open. At least we should be able to browse. But before we do that, I'll quickly go to my host file and set my host file pointing to this, because the client has also asked that I do that. So I'll now know EDC hosts, and I will change this to the IP 10.10 92.193. Great. So internal.html. Great. So all looks pretty cool there. We'll get out of that nano editor. Then we got this thing going, but it seems like it's going to take a while. So I'm going to be parsing around Nmap on this other end. So let me do some Nmap. I'm going to do a service version scan as usual. We know we use the tag SV. Then I'm going to maybe do a script scan, SC. Then I'm also going to thread, maybe to make it faster. Use 4. I could use 5. That will go insanely fast and might crash the whole thing. Then I'll try not to ping. Oh, I have made a mistake there. I'll try not to ping, so I'll use a PN. I don't want to ping, no ping scan, just scan. Then I will use a new switch, which I don't think I've used with you guys before, OA. So watch what I'm going to do here to make it pretty much faster. Thread scan is done, but it only saw one port. I hate this stuff. I'm just going to quit it. Get out of my screen. Alright, great. So I'm going to use the IP 10.10. I think we've got oh damn, 90. Oh great, man, my head is frozen, like seriously. Sorry, I keep forgetting the IP address thing. So it's 10.10.92.193. Maybe I should write it on the pen. Simply because there are a lot of things in my mind, and I apologize for that, guys. Okay, so 10.10, and we've got checking the time. I have another meeting at 6:40. I can make it anyways. 10.10.92, then 193. Oh, this is going to throw an error at me. So 10.10, so it appears it's been looped. 92, that's 193. It should run fine now. Did we make a mistake? Okay. Oh, damn. All right, there we go. I'm already feeling heady. It just started. So let's go to our web browser. I'll minimize this VPN thing. Look for my web browser. My screen is pretty messed up. So I had planned to show some cool tools today. So I'll be using this reverse shell generator stuff. It's something that can grab you, makes your life easy, kind of like can generate any kind of reverse shell you want to generate, except for some specific case, like you will see today. We'll use a specific reverse shell which is not here. So, but that can help save your life. So let's try to browse the page. 10.96 and 192. Sorry, 193. Okay, we've been greeted with this Apache 2 HTML file. And basically, we know Apache is running great. We can play around with the directory brute forcer to see what we can find, if we can find some hidden directories. But well, we'll get into that stage. Now we've been able to identify this. So what next can we do here? Basically, we can go back and look at our Nmap Scan. Nmap, well, always reliable. So he got 22 and 80, whereas the other guy did not get 80. So 80, we see there's an Apache, which is what we just confirmed from the browser. And the Apache version is 2.4.29. It's Ubuntu. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Anyways, now we have an idea of the ports that are open. So I'm going to clear the screen. There's nothing pretty interesting there for me. So what I'm going to do this time around, I'm going to do some directory brute first. The previous day we had used a tool called dir search. So if you remember, we used dir search. Then we gave it the URL was in today's 10.92.193. Then we can also pass the E flag. Basically, we're going to exclude some HTTP kind of like HTTP Response 400, 500. Okay, great. Then put a tag X in here. Then we're doing 400 and 500, kind of like excluding them. Put a tag R. Then we'll also put a tag T thread. Let's thread maybe 100, not too fast. Tag E not recognized, so we'll go all the way back and be small letter E. Does the magic. Great. So it's doing its thing. We're going to leave that screen there. I'll shrink this a bit because I really need some space here. So it's already saying some directories, htaccess, save, okay, a bunch of them. It's cruising, doing its stuff. HTTPs, HTML, HT passwords. Cool. Oh, there's a blog. So I'll quickly want to go check this out. So I see it probably makes me feel like this is WordPress thing going on in the background there. So I'm also seeing PHPMyAdmin. So I'll quickly go and look up the blog. So I'll put a slash blog here. What can I see? Excellent. So we're being greeted with this this stuff. Let's see. Oh, we can actually log in. Cool. So maybe what we'll be doing is we'll be brute forcing this login access to see if we can probably grab. I'll find our way around if it's possible for us to find our way around. So, but before we do that, let's try to see from the scan. Going back here, see what we can grab. I can already guess, and my guess came back right. So you see, it's a WordPress. There is a WordPress WP login, the PHP page. So it's a WordPress page. I can grab this and go try this on my browser. Let's see, HTTP. I've got 10.10.92.193 slash, and I'll dump this there. V. Okay, move on of the slash. Let's see. Great. Okay, this looks like this. Well, this is for the blog, while this is for the website. I see WordPress WP login the PHP. So this is like the admin portal thing, while this is for the blog. So I'm going to be working with the blog for now, but we verified it's WordPress. So there's a cool tool that we can use to brute force WordPress for users. Random. We just want to try and see if we can probably find out some users on the WordPress stuff. It's called WP Scan. It comes default in Kali and Parrots. I'm not sure if Ubuntu you might have to grab it using the snap report thing, or probably use the app to get it. So we'll use this. We'll pass a URL. We know the URL in this case is our IP address 10.10.92.193. Then we're going to pass, we're going to the blog. We're trying to brute force the blog. Let's find out users. So we're going to put a tag E, we'll put a VP. We're trying to just run this randomly for users. So let's see what comes back at us. So WordPress scan or WP scan is doing its thing. Wait for that. Wait for that. Well, hopefully we might find out some users on the box. I see it really came back fast. It's already throwing stuff at us. We'll try to review what it's throwing at us. Headers, so it's seeing some misconfiguration. PHP direct access to this page. Then seeing some vulnerability, WordPress, README file. Oh, great! It found an admin user. So this is what I need for now. Okay, great. So as long as it gave me an admin user, it's telling me if I can grab an API, probably it might do some more stuff. I don't know, but I'm not going to look at that. Or should we? I think I have a WordPress account. I have an API. I can just plug it in there. But anyways, now. So we'll just take the admin thing. Now that we know there's an admin user, for starters, we go populate our record. We know there's admin user. So again, we're going to run this scan against the admin user and try to see if we can brute force for the admin user's password. This probably you've not seen me do this before. So we're still using the same WP scan, but this time around we're using the URL 10.10.92.193. Then we're going to be passing a username of admin from what we found. Then we're going to pass a password. We'll go to USR share word list, then rocku.txt. We're going to brute force this thing against rocku. Then we want to go extremely like crazy, not too fast because we might crash stuff. So we'll use a maximum threads, maybe 50, so we don't crash stuff. So wait for this thing to peruse and do stuff. Whoa. Okay, let me go verify. The usernames. The remote website is up, but does not seem to be running WordPress. For real? Okay, so we already saw that WordPress thing is here. So what is it trying to play smart one and us for? Okay. So maybe what we'll do is we forgot to pass the block thing. Probably that website is on, and there are many web applications running on it. So we make life easy for ourselves. We put a block there, so we don't try to go crash their system for them. I forgot. It was trying to scan against the box itself. Then it said the box is up, but it doesn't run. It's running WordPress. So WordPress is actually on /blog. So let's try again and see. Okay. Now it seems like it's smiling back at us. So all things good. It's already doing its thing as usual. So brute forcing is started. Sorry. Let's go see. Let go. Performing password attack. So it's already started the brute force thing. So let's chill probably and watch it do its thing. I believe we might find something for us. It's brute forcing against the admin, and it's trying a bunch of random passwords. You can see that trying admin and a bunch of random passwords to see if it's going to find a password for the admin user. If we grab a password, then we might be able to log in that blog as an admin. Then we can start from there to maybe try to see if we can do some PHP shell thing, reverse shell thing, if it's possible, because this is WordPress, we see it's PHP, so we can let's just play around while that thing is cruising. let's go to this. Let's see if there's a login for the PHP thing. It's actually something used to manage backend database servers. Let's go see. Just fooling around. Okay, you got something for us? Oh, cool. So we can as well try the admin credential and brute force against this as well. But here I would rather use maybe a tool like Hydra, or maybe a tool like a John, probably. Yeah, probably. So we could try to access the database, but this is out of our scope. I think we're not going to touch PHP admin. So let's not find trouble. So minimize that thing or close it. It seems like our scan is done. Whoa, okay, so admin password is my two boys. Cool. So put that down with the pen. Admin with the password my two boys. Reminds me of a password that I saw, or someone sent to me a password for a mega infrastructure, and the password was support at 2021, and I laughed. Okay, great. So people can do dumb stuff anyway, so I don't blame them. The password is not easy to remember. All right, so now we're going to go into that and log in as admin. Let's see if we can. My two boys. Yeah, there we go. Don't save. Okay. Remind me later. Damn, take me out of here. But we can see the admin's email, admin@internal.html. HTM. Take us out of here. Okay, so it seems like the login worked. Let's wait for it to load the page for us. let's see what we can do. Probably play around the page and see if we can find some developers mistake to exploit to do what we're going to be doing anyways. Oh, this is taking a while. Let's go back to internal. It's taking a while. Oh, okay, so we logged in. How the admin? So we're in WordPress. I'm not pretty a super duper WordPress person, but I'm just going to parse around. Please bear with me. Okay, site admin, logout. I'm just going to parse around. What can I see? What can I see? Oh, great. So we got something here. I see there are some updates plugins that why am I going to updates? I just want to play around and see. Bear with me. And sometimes playing around, you just find stuff. So I'm going to check each of those tabs there. So starting from updates, let me see if it loads. Welcome to WordPress. We have assembled some links to get you started. Thank you. You have version 4.1.5 installed, so there is an update that must be run, but this is my scope. I'm not touching that. 2019-2020. These are new teams. Okay, my scope. Let's go to the next tab. Let's check posts. So we've got some posts here. Let's go read some people's posts since we are the admin. Let's see. Oh, this is written by admin author. Admin writing to himself. That's so funny. Don't forget to reset Will's credentials. Whoa, that's a credential there. Grab my pen and my paper. Don't forget to reset Williams. So William has got the password Arnold 147. Arnold 147. We got some nifty cool stuff there. I'm gonna go back and see if I can still find some stuff. So viewed posts, all posts. Let's check up media. What's that? Maybe some funny picture that we're not supposed to see. No media. All right. So what else do we have there? Comments. Let's see. A WordPress commenter. Hi, this is a comment to get started. Damn, there's nothing here. Hello world. Okay, great. So at least we got some credentials for William. So what would be the next thing to do? William could probably be a user or an admin. So I could probably try to log in, maybe the WordPress website with William. Just playing in my head. So let me go grab that link for the WordPress thing. I think it's or we could even try it for PHP My Admin first. We're just flexing our muscles. So we have William, and we've got the password of Arnold, ARNOLD 147. Go. Oh, too bad. Ding, 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 ding. Access denied. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. So it sees and actually is my SQLi database, which you could actually get in here. We'll see a lot of fun stuff. Should we try brute forcing it? We see the username seems to be correct. Is it a password problem? Let's try again. ARNOLD 147. Twice might be a lucky charm. Damn, didn't work. Okay, let's go back and look for that WordPress thing. WP admin thing. We found one WP admin thing. We've tried PHP My Admin, it didn't work. Damn you. Damn you. Oh, la, 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 la. Okay, let's try this. I think this is where we are at the moment. WP admin. We're trying to log in there. I thought we saw something else, but I think I made a mistake. So I think we are done here. Anything interesting? This is the SQL thing that we're trying to log in just now. Dang, refused us. We can even see from our return HTTP return message code. Probably to redirect thing. Okay. Any other interesting stuff? PHP admin. Just same bunch of garbage. Damn, I'm done. It is 89%, 90%, 97, 99, 900. Is it done? I think it's done. Let's wait for it. Damn you. What are you doing again? Okay. I can't see you. Thank you for your time. Alright, great. So we got a credential. How about we try maybe how could they possibly be connecting to the box to maybe maintain or maybe do some upgrade or stuff. The best way would be SSH because it's secure. So let's try to see if we can use SSH as a tool to gain access with these are credentials and see if it's going to work for us. There is no harm in trying. So what we're doing is we're just randomly trying out some stuff. We're not sure if it's going to work, but there's no harm in trying. So let's do SSH. We're going to do William at 10.10.92.193. Is William's going access? Oh, it seems like easy cheesy. What's William's password? So I think it's Arnold ARNOLD147. Is it working? Damn, access denied. Let me go check that password again. Am I getting it right? We saw that password somewhere. Where? Look at that. I think it was in posts. In this. Let's look it up. ARNOLD147. Yeah, that's it. Let me try that again. ARNOLD147. Damn you. So there's a user William, but he's got a different password. Or is he using keys? He's got a different password. Damn you. I'm gonna try user admin. So user admin. Oh, admin's password is my two boys. Smile. Damn, my two boys. Well, we could probably brute force SSH using it to like Hydra. But well, get out of here. We're not doing this. Okay, so let's go back to our page. And what can we find? I'm feeling a bit hot now. I might have to switch on the AC. So what can we find? I will find you. Plugins. Used by million. Aki Smith. Damn. There's nothing there. What can we do? Let's check settings. Maybe. And anywhere we can probably upload some backdoor thing and to give us some access. There's nothing here as well. And Plugin editor. Let's see that. Aha! Voila! You appear to be making direct edits on your plugin. Voila! Look at this. Look at this, guys. There goes the PHP script. So we can put our PHP reverse shell thingy here. You guys think so? We can actually put our PHP reverse shell thing there and grab some reverse shell. This is becoming fun, guys. So what do you guys think? Should we go this route? Should we go this route, or should we use a different route? We see we have access to somewhere where we can upload scripts. So it means we can actually do something from here. But let's still check around. Comments. We've looked at comments. Because I'm not sure if that script will execute. If we can put in the scripts, then maybe put in the scripts and maybe try to access this directory from a browser, right? Just so it executes. Do you guys think that might fly for us? We can replace the script with our I'm tempted to do that. Replace it and save it. Can we save it? We don't have somewhere to save. Oh, so maybe that won't work because we can't save it. Damn, we can't save it. No, that won't work. Let's see appearance. Ooh, some cool themes. La la la. Let's see theme editor. This is the one we had. Oh, okay. So here also, it's got some things going on here. I can see some CSS. I can see some. It's a PHP, archives.php, footer.php. So these are a bunch of PHP scripts. Let's see the error page. 4 voice error. This is a script, right? So it's, if you try to access wrong link, it throws back and it tells you error. So it's the 4 for error thing. It looks like nothing was found at this location. Okay, so what location is that? 2017. So 2017. So 2017. If we're trying to browse to 2017, maybe WP admin themes 2017. That might execute the script because that's what this is actually trying to say here. Okay, I'm already getting excited, but I'll keep my chill. Let me go check if I have PHP reverse shell, PHP reverse shell. We used one the other day, and that was what is in here? I'll go to downloads. I'm trying to hurry, my time is almost phasing out. What do we have in here? There's reverse shell PHP. So let's cut the content of reverse shell PHP. I'm going to copy this. I think we can work with this. I'll copy from start to stop. And I'll go replace it with what is in that. Quickly, I'll just take this thing out and put mine in there because I can save here. So put mine in there, then I'll go verify my IP address. My IP address is correct, okay? Then I'll call back on 8090. 8090. Should I use 53? No, 8090 seems fine. So what if I upload this file? Successful. Okay, so what if I go do some netcat thing here? I'm going to clear this. Let me grab a fresh, let me get that one here. Or let me get it here. I don't think I need this anymore. So I'm going to do nc NLVP 8090, I believe. Let's listen for reverse shell call. Then we're going to browse to that 2017, right? So we're going to browse to that 2017 page and see if we browse to the page, if it's going to load our stuff. I don't know, please, let's take the random guess. Okay, we're trying our stuff anyways. Remember, HTTP, it's 10.10.92.193. Then we're going to blog. I think that's blog. Then we're going to WP. I think it was WP. Is it WP? What? Let's go check. That's WP admin. We're going to WP. No, it was content. Going to WP content. Then it was somewhere. I saw that in the PHP script. I deleted the script already. Oh my god, damn. Okay, it was WP. It was Teams, I believe. Then after Teams, it was 2017, I think. TWENTY. I'm not sure, but I think it's SEVENTEEN 2017. Then we have the 404.php. If it's correct, I will see a reverse connection on my terminal. Ah, it worked. Guys, look at this. So we got a shell. Who am I? This is a Linux server. I can see the shebang, the $sign thing. So this is a Linux server where we let's play around. CD USR. It's not a stable shell. Shell in games. Let's see the auth directory. WP save the text. That looks like someone put that in there. Can we cut the content of WP save dot texts? Another credential. Our brainer needs these credentials for something later. Let her know you have them and where they are. I'm going to copy that down quickly. AUBROEANNA is bubble lead speak 1 3. That's bubble LE gum GUM. Then at 1 at hash 1 2 3, I think. Okay, so we've got that open there. I'm tempted to want to go try SSH, because it means if she's going to connect to this server, she would be using SSH. So the username is BREANNA at 10.192.193. Oh, sorry, .92.193. Can we? Okay, seems like it's working. I'll copy this password. And I'll just paste it here. Good. So we got in the box. This looks like it's the box. Guys, look at this. It's the box. Wow. Is Ubuntu usage process ID 192.112 internal IP. This is the internal IP, and I see there's a Docker container running. That interests me. Let's play around, fiddle around. Oh, there we go. We've got user.text. So that's the user flag they had asked for. We've been able to grab that one. But there's a Jenkins.text. Let's cut the content of Jenkins. So probably Jenkins is running in Docker as suspected. Guys, look at this. Internal Jenkins server is running on 172.17.02. So if you go here, 172.17.01 is Docker. So which means Jenkins is running on Docker. So how can we reach Jenkins? This is where pivoting comes in, right? You have to look for a way to pivot. How do we pivot? We are on the host. We want to reach the local Docker container on the host, and we cannot reach it from our IP because this is Docker. So what do we do at that spot? What do we do at that spot? What do we do at that spot? Brainstorm. Since we are already on the host, can't we SSH into that Docker? Can't we SSH into that Docker? I think we play a little nifty trick here. What if we do SSH? They're telling us that it's on 172.17.02 on 8080. So what if we do a little nifty trick? We use the stack L switch for SSH. You can check that out later on your own. Then we port this to 8080. Then on the IP which we're going is 172.17.0.2. Then we're trying to see if we can hit that Docker. So we're proxying here. Then we are going on that Docker on port 8080. And port 80, so it will be relaying this shell to a new one. Can we? The same user, because this user seems to have access on the bus. So we use this BREANNA user, and now we are passing. We're going to pass from our box, since we have a shell here. We'll pass from our box, which is with this IP, logging in from our box as that user. Or no, that won't work. What if we're logging in on the original server's IP? Hey, my dog is spying on me. Go away. Okay, so we're going to log in from my head. Okay, so the Docker, and we'll log in from this Abrena session we have here. The IP address of the box, I believe, is this. So Abrena logging in from the box to the Docker compose. So this is 10.10.92.193. This is actually called pivoting. What we're doing now is we're pivoting. If it works, seems like it's working. So what's that password of Abrena? I got it copied or pasted there. Let's see. It worked. Yes. So for my Abrena, and let's do ifconfig. Let's verify. Yes, this is Docker. So we've got a shell in Docker, we've got a shell on the server. So we've got 3 shells in total now. It's a shell which gave us access to through the WordPress application. So we are in the application here, because when I ran who am I, we see we're data. We're in the application here, WordPress. Then here we are on the server. Then we had pivoted from the server into, wow, this is called double pivoting actually, not just one, it's double pivoting. So we pivoted from the app to the server, pivoted from the server to Docker instance on the server. Now this is it's been a while I did something like this. Let me sit up. All right, great guys. All right, so let's get the ride on going. Now we're in Docker container. So what can we do? Can we try to browse Docker container from our hosts and see? Let's see. So we know Docker, we can reach it on our local host, but this time around we're going to be running our local host on port 8080, because we know port 8080 was what we opened. If you check the net stat, you can actually see that port open. This is still hanging. I will try not to close this because this is what is giving me my initial access. This is the application. So I'm going to open a new browser. Damn. Okay, so I'm going to try to go to 127. .0.0.1. If I just enter, this will be my own, but I'm going to port to port 8080 where that thing is listening. See if I can reach it. Jenkins. Great. Dang. So we are reaching the Jenkins. Now the goal will be to get into this Jenkins application. It's in Docker. Since we're already in Docker, how can we get into Jenkins application? That's our task now. Guys, brace up. We're going to be doing some fun stuff. Like I told you from the start. And my time is almost running out because I have a meeting at 6:40, so I better be fast. So Jenkins, can I brute force? Let me try with admin. With what admin? Admin credential was my 2 boys. Will it log me in? Oh damn you. Who else? We got Alberena. Let's try that. AUBREANNA. And we got the password BUBB1E lead speak GU capital M. Then we got this. Then we got this. Then we got this. I'm typing like a kid and I don't want to make a mistake. 1, 2, 3. Ah, damn, none of these guys got access. So what can we do? What if we stage a proxy server and see if we can grab the request on the back end and maybe try to brute force? I could use Bob Suite to do that. But my Bob Suite will not do this because it's not. I don't have a license for the professional. I cannot force. What can I use? I've got Zap. I've got WebScarab here as well. Where's my proxy button? There's Zap. Okay, so I'll try to use Zap. I hope it's configured. I'll use Zap. Then I'm going to go. That thing will kill all my session. I'm going to go out. I did not start the Zap yet, so let me go start Zap. Or Zap. It's just like Burp Suite. I think it's pretty much flexible than Burp Suite. So what we're going to do is I'm starting Zap. See if Zap runs. That's my doggy. Who let the dogs out? Oh. Okay, I'm going crazy now. I'm going crazy. Alright, so Zap, I'm waiting for Zap thing to do its thing. It's taking a while to load, so I think it's loading now. So let's wait for it to load. Let's see if we can proxy that request and grab it. I think Zap is on, so I'm going to pull it up there. And now I'm going to, this is a very large screen. It's going to swallow my screen. I'm going to shake it a bit, guys. Sorry if you don't see the thing. Shrink it a bit. Don't eat up on my screen. It's a monster screen. Okay, so now we've got that proxy thing going on there. So what can we do? We can't use port 8080. So I hope this thing is not listening on port 8080. How do I check the settings? Wait, what is listening on? Hey, man, it's been a while I used this thing. Alert application. How do I check? Oh God, save my life. There's so much to do, guys. The brain is frozen. There's a lot to remember. Is it in tools? How do I check what port is listening on? Oh, damn you, Zap. Damn you, Zap. Damn you, Zap. I've become so friendly with Burp Suite that I don't even know how to work with Zap anymore. So guys, a quick way to try is I'll go to my browser and I'll try to run this again if it's going to hit it. So I'll put in admin. I'll just put a random password. Admin password was my 2 boys. If it's going to hit then I'll turn on the proxy. And I'll see if this request will hit my proxy server. Hey, what is this? Dare you? Advance. Accept the risk and go. Did he hit it? I think he hit it. Oh, thank God. Yeah, so it's configured. It hit it. So, well, I'm not seeing any post request. I'm saying, oh, get. I'm trying that one more time again. I want to post. And it's my 2 boys. Give me a post. I think there's a post. The post dropped in now. Get out of here. Ah, there you go. There's a post. So I'm going to take these posts. I'm going to attack it, send it to a forza. Okay. So I entered username admin. Password my 2 boys. So let me force this area. And I'm going to force this. I can use rocky.txt. No, I've got some passwords that I downloaded in what was that tool? Okay, let me go check my brain. I think it's in downloads or ops directory. Let me add a dictionary. Add a file. Then I'll select the file. Sorry, the file I'm going to use. It should be in my off directory, I'm sure. The tool was, my brain is not helping me now, but I'm just going to check all through. There was a recent tool I used, and I got some good dictionary in there. Brain, please wake, brain, please wake, brain, wake. I think it's kept, yeah. Yeah, password list.txt. So I'll force it against this. I'll add that. Then I'm going to okay this. Now here's the catch. This is not something I'm not sure any of you had seen this before. So what I'm doing, I'm forcing. I'm guided by my knowledge on the response code. That is what will tell me what the correct password is. My dog is spying on me. So you'll be seeing the response code that returns. That is what will guide me. It's not going to tell. It's not like those tools that will tell you the password is this, just like Hydra or maybe the brute forcing we did earlier. So here you're going to be guided by your knowledge. So if I start the forcer, I'll be looking at the response code. If you look at the size, it's almost the same. The moment I see a different size, I'm interested in that. It means that could possibly be a password. So watch with me. I see something different. I see there's 439. What password was 439? It's Sweetie. I'm going to go try Sweetie. So I'll put admin. That thing skipped my mind now. It's SWEETY. SWEETY. So sign in. Did it work? Damn, no. Okay, let's go back again and see what's the next change. Where's my mouse? Man, I must restart the system. So this didn't work. There's 308. It's different from 3. This is way lesser. So let's see, what's the password? SpongeBob. SpongeBob wet pants. Okay, admin SPONGE Bob. Let's try. What's happening? It's delaying, so this might be it. This might be it. This might be it. This might be it. Hey, man, I'm so tensed. It's taking its time. Should I shut down the proxy thing? Is the proxy what happened? Is the proxy thing delaying? I'm gonna go back and try that one more time. I'll key my proxy. I'm interested in SpongeBob. I think it looks like something is happening there because it delayed. Whoa. I'll try that again. Admin SPONGE Bob. See, I told you. That's the password. Okay, so we're in Jenkins. Wow, fun. Ah, my God. My time is almost running out. I have a meeting at 6:40. So what can we do in Jenkins? Let's play around. There's a REST API, there's add description, people, new item. Well, let's look at people. What do we have in people? Only admin user. Okay, admin. The only person in there. Manage Jenkins. What can we find in there? I'll look for anywhere we can put a script. Maybe that might work. Jenkins CLI. Maybe from your scripts. No, it's just giving us available commands. But we can actually look at this jar Jenkins. So we can run this WebSocket thing. Call back to us. Is it going to work? No, there's no harm in trying. I've got Java on my box. So copy that. I'm going to my terminal. I'll minimize this thing since I'm already in. I'll go to my terminal. Paste that command there. I need a fresh terminal. All these are busy. Use this one. Paste that command there. Damn you. I knew it wasn't going to work out anyways. It's just being stupid. Go back. Then there's script console. Okay. It's a fresh page for script. It's telling me I've tried Groovy script. So I've never used Groovy before. Let me go check my online reverse shell. Any Groovy? Bash. Okay, netcat, Windows, C, Perl, PHP, CMD. Oh, damn you, there's no Groovy. I'll ask Google. Let me use DuckDuckGo. Let me ask DuckDuckGo. What the? So we're looking for Groovy reverse shell. Let's see. GROOVY reverse shell. So if you find something, payload all things. I love this guy's stuff. I think I should clone this repo, or maybe I should fork it. So I don't have to be looking for this next time. I can just go to my Git repo and just use it from there. Fork it, fork it. Yeah, did. Go. So let's go find ourselves any Groovy. You got Groovy for me? What's this? Payload all things. Go back. Okay, let's go look at that guy's page. Any Groovy thing, reverse shell, bash, socket, Perl. It's a bunch of them guys. Python, PHP, Ruby, Golang, Netcat, OpenSSL, reverse shell, all things. the name fits it. Telnet, Node.js. Groove it. There you go. I got something. Okay, cool. So copy this thing. Copy this bad boy. Go to our Jenkins and paste this bad boy in here. But we must change the IP address to our IP because we want to get a callback to us. 10.10. No, we are 10.8. Let me go check. 182.252. 10.8. 182.252. Then we're going to change the ports. Let's use 3389. No, RDP. Damn you. 3344. Okay. CMD. This is for Windows. What's the Linux? I don't have a Windows. It's not going to call back to. I don't have a Windows CMD. No. I can change that to either being bash or Z shell. Maybe. Let's try. Being bash. Give me bash, not CMD. Okay, so let's prepare the environment. Let's set up a netcat, listening for reverse shell, and LVP on, we use 33, was it 3344? Guys, let me check. 3344. Okay, so I'm going to run this listener, then go to the groovy thing, see if I can run the scripts. If it's going to give me a reverse shell, quickly I'll go check. I got a reverse shell. Hey, no, it's not loading correctly. Is that it? Let me try ls. Oh, that's it. Who am I? With Jenkins. Then Jenkins is running as root, I suspect. So let's see the root. Permission denied. Damn you. Damn you. Am I not root? I want root. I don't want anything less than root. This is grinding me, guys. I hate this. No swear words. No swear language. No swear language. No swear language. I'm sorry. Okay. So how can I check in Linux? How can I check? If I was using Windows, I would have just do some Windows. Linux, is it? Or my, no, I can use ID. Jenkins, Jenkins, group Jenkins. Huh? Did it die? Damn, it died, guys. What the F happened here? Oh man, soccer. Suck you, soccer. How can I just died like that? What the fuck? I don't know, man. Oh, I'm sorry, my language. Oh no, I feel like crying for myself. Oh no, and I know. Our shell is dead, guys. Just when we thought we got the Jenkins thing running, our shell died. So it's like we're going to restart this whole process from the scratch. But I have to go. My time is already up here. So I think that IP, can we still reach it? Let me check with them, because all the shells died. It's 10.10.92.193. We can't reach it, so maybe it's a problem from them. Did they shut me down? Let me ask them for another IP. Oh, I got some calls. What time? It's not time yet. There's another IP, guys. So let's see if we can finish this. We'll start out the shell again. Damn, I'm not doing all that. Let me see if I can continue from here where we are. There's a 10.10.66 now. So we'll try this again. Damn, guys. I'm sorry, I have to go, but we already got in the box anyways. That's the good side. So I'm stopping this video here because I have to go for a meeting. But I think we lost the connection, probably our network or their network. So I think it's been fun, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me once again. And we obviously completed the challenge. We just needed to go look for the root flag, but we're done with the challenge. That's what really matters. So I'm going to close all this stuff. But fun stuff. At least you've learned about reverse shell stuff. You've seen how you could go grab some reverse shell for yourself and do some callbacks. And also you've learned a bit about WordPress, how you can play around, look for where you could upload stuff on WordPress to gain reverse shell. Then you also saw this damn bad reverse shell.com stuff. Alright, so play around, play safe. I repeat, play safe. You can go to jail. If you go to jail, It's not Blast's fault. Please don't call my name. All right. Thank you, and have a, should I say, have a good evening. Enjoy the rest of the evening. See you next time.